everybody, Galaxy Literal here, and welcome to my first video on Twitter. So, as you know, mostly everybody has Twitter, and if you don't have Twitter, get it and come follow me, because of course you need to follow me. And yes, I'm a big fan of Forever in Your Mind. Let's just exit out of that. And it is Charlie. Good. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but look, it is her birthday. Ta-da! So happy birthday to her, and yeah, happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, so I'm gonna hang out on Twitter real quick, see who I'm following. I was born in January 11th, 2003. I was actually born in 2007 because that's the only way I could get into Twitter. And so I'm following. Okay. Go follow these people because they're just really awesome. Really cool, you know. All of these people, and many more. So, I want to actually say something, real quick. There's like a really crazy thing about Donald Trump, Miranda, I was calling, having so much fun on our tour. Don't want it to end. Miranda seems not come for tickets. Okay, so okay. I want to find the thing that I was going to show you. Here it is. It spells Trump clearly in the sky. It was written in the sky in Sydney. Two happy crying emojis. And that's weird. It's so weird. Like, you don't even know. Weird. Like, is that how you even spell weird? I spelled wired. Weird. Something I spell weird. Weird. You can see really closely, like, wait, hold on. Like, if that's his face, kind of, like, those two eyes, mouth, I can't really point, and this is his big hair. Something like that, but who do you think did that? Like, I don't know. Wait, what? That's Dan TDM. I don't think that's the real Dan TDM. What? What's your favorite? Mine. Oh, it's a Sir Meows Alot plushie. OMG! I need that. That's way too cute. Oh, did you hear? It's the season final. No. No. Final. Wait, I spelled book. No. The final. I literally cried when I saw that commercial because I hate for shows to end. I want to actually see what is a real Dantadium, because of course many people lie. Dantadium, the diamond minecart. Dantadium, the diamond minecart. I feel so be the crazy or not. Don't tell me that's him. Don't tell me this is actually him. Oh my gosh, it is. Oh my gosh, it is. Trump. Dun dun dun. Jacksepticeye. Jacksepticeye. I'm sorry, but I actually haven't seen Jacksepticeye. But this looks amazing. Okay, people, follow me on Twitter, please. Wait, what? What was that? Oh no. Our school announced, like, literally in the announcements in the morning, Donald Trump is our president today, and all happy voice. That's just... What? Issues reality free. Donald Trump sends first tweet as POTUS. Blah. Celebrities react to ingratitude of Donald Trump. Makes sense. The virtual world by following the leg. What? Why does she have a leg? Wait, what's this though? What is it? Okay, it doesn't care. No, I mean, it doesn't matter. What it does, it does. It doesn't matter, but it's just so horrible. Okay, guys, follow me on Twitter, and of course, subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you're a part of my family, and I will see you all later. Goodbye, love you, heart, comment, goodbye, yeah!